guys, welcome to our factory. We are Fupower, a professional manufacturer in the exhaust system. We provide exhaust pipes, air tight pipes, and components. We also provide the turbo pipes. If you have any needs, please contact us. Here are our titanium exhaust components. We have different kind of color. We have the gold one, purple, and blue, and we also have different lengths. The short one and the longer one. And this pipe will add the box and the flex joint. This one is a blued one. We also have different kind of angle. All the titanium exhaust pipes angle, we use pie cards to form into different kind of angles here. This is our sample room. This part is our titanium pie cards. We have different kinds of colors for the titanium pie cards. Gold, purple, polish, and blue. This part is our components of the exhaust system. We have different kinds of components. For example, we have flex pipe, we have waves, and flange, and so on. And we also have different kinds of muffler. Here is our muffler parts. These here are our other samples. Normal exhaust tips, teardrop exhaust tips. And here is our stainless steel exhaust system, exhaust pipes. This is our titanium exhaust pipes.